Hey guys, this is Johnny with Westcott Designs. We got a 2022 Tundra in here. It's got the AVS shocks in it. We've had a few people call in, other techs, to figure out how to break this nut on these without destroying this wire for the AVS system. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how we do it. We've done it lots of times, a couple hundred now, so it's pretty simple. We'll get the compressors on here. All right, come on over. We'll see that I left some of the compression on here. That way it still has pressure on the nut. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to crank this thing. See how that moved right there? And now it's not wanting to go anymore. Well, I know it feels like it's going to want to break, but once you get it to this point right here, you're just going to want to give it one good pull. Boom, done. Broke it loose. That's it. And shit comes right off. Then you notice I still have the compression on there with the spring. And that's it. Off, wire's still good. Now you can take all this out of here and get ready to put your Westcott Designs kit in.